Dennis Razor and Razor Ultra have been designed specifically for the use of everyday golf greenkeepers on the greens and tees. The two models we've got here today are the Dennis Razor 22 inch and the Dennis Razor Ultra 22 inch. The only difference being is the tungsten tipped groomer on the Razor Ultra, no groomer on the standard Razor. The machines themselves are both powered by a 4.5 horsepower Honda engine. Height of cut is adjusted on the front roller adjustment very simply by turning the locating wheels on the front forwards clockwise or anti-clockwise. This will change the height of cut by 0.5 mil per click. On the Razor Ultra, which has the groomer is independently adjusted height-wise separately to the cutting height, and you can also disengage the groomer at any point. If you wanted to cut the greens without the groomer, be disengaged and engaged. It comes standard with an 11 blade cylinder, both models. You can have it fitted with a 7 blade option for the tees. Bottom blade to cylinder adjusters are also very simple to get at. There's a locking nut on the inside, on cut, off cut, clockwise, anti-clockwise adjustment. Bottom blade will always adjust to the cylinder remains static, bottom blade pivots. You can have drive wheels which are fitted to both models. You'll see the drive wheels, and one big advantage of these particular wheels are when they're removed from the machine, the whole drive wheel and stub axle comes away. The cap will then cover the hole to stop any dust entering into the drive system. Big advantage there is, of course, now you haven't got that long stub shaft sticking out of the mower if you want to get close into banks or into surrounding areas. Both machines are powered by friction plate clutches under here. There's two clutches, one powering the drive and one powering the cylinder, with a final V-belt, poly V-belt drive system underneath the cover here. You will see also there's two different forms of handlebar configuration. There's a standard T-bar handle, which in certain applications people prefer, solely down to personal preference. Now the T-bar is very, very simple to operate. It offers you a very easy turn point. If you've got a constriction to get in, you can very easily pull the machine back, turn the mower and drive off again. Whereas the standard loop handle, which is very common on greens machines, does allow the operator to pivot one-handed and come back onto the green in either direction, fitted out with a double dead man's handle so you can release one side or the other side. The cylinder engagement on both models is very easy, positioned at the very accessible point at the top here. Cylinder and groomer would now be engaged, and the throttle adjustment is on the other side. Starting the mower, you'll see at the front of the engine there's an on-off switch. This is bypassed to a on-off switch on the handlebar configuration underneath. This eliminates the operator having to go down to the front of the engine to turn the mower on and off. So very simply, turn the switch on from cold, fuel on, choke on, choke straight off. The mower is now ready to go. Likewise, to switch off with the button.